Chakwal's Makhadi halwa, traditionally served at weddings, is famously tricky to make. Today, we're simplifying it into an easy small batch recipe, perfect for your tea or coffee time. Let's dive in. Let's start by preparing the halwa batter. Measure out 250 grams of maida or white flour. Carefully pour 2 cups of creamy milk into the flour to soften the mixture. A few drops of vanilla essence for that aromatic touch. Crack in 1 egg. Oops, we spilled some milk, but don't worry, we'll clean it later. Stir it well with a spoon or blender until you get a thin, smooth paste. Cover and set aside your batter for 2 to 3 hours. Resting the batter allows the gluten in the flour to relax, making it easier to work with and preventing the halwa from becoming too tough or chewy. Now, let's prepare the sugar syrup, known locally as chas. In a pan on medium to low heat, add 250 grams of brown full-grain sugar, called shakkar. Pour in 100 milliliters of water. Mix it well and keep stirring so the chas doesn't burn or stick to the pan's bottom. Cook until it's caramelized and fragrant. Slowly and carefully add the batter. Add 250 grams of Desi Ghee. Now comes the most crucial part for your halwa. Keep the heat low to medium and keep mixing, stirring, and pressing the batter to avoid small, hard balls forming as it takes the shape of halwa. Continue stirring until the batter smooths out and starts pulling away from the sides of the pan. You'll notice the mixture becoming thicker and more cohesive. Once the batter has fully taken the shape of halwa, add dry fruits of your choice to finish, creating a smooth, rich texture. Now, leave the halwa on low flame, stirring occasionally so it cooks fully and develops a nice brown color, which means it's ready. Serve it warm with a generous garnish of your favorite dry fruits. This Makhadi halwa pairs wonderfully with a cup of chai or coffee, making it perfect for tea time. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey to make Chakwal's famous Makhadi halwa. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Have a wonderful day.